or our room in Schloss Hexenagger, and this is located in the town of Altmeinstein. And here, as you can see, that I'm standing in the living room, and overall the wall is made out of bricks. As you can see here, that is an extension of the existing infrastructure with the brick wall, and that makes it the orangery and located right next to the garden. So here is a cozy living room decorated with a very cute orange tree. And up there is always my favorite, the chandelier. Da 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 da. Here's the chandelier. And here we have the modern nook for some breakfast, hot tea, coffee, and all the things that you need. So different tea bags and also milk and sugar. Out here is then a little surprise. So out here, when tomorrow the sun shines, then we'll be able to do a little sunbathing and also the electric grill to do some castle style barbecue. Let's see how the rest of the food is doing. Ooh. Yum yum, it smells really good. So hopefully it's going to be bright and shine tomorrow that we can go out and enjoy. And then on this side of the living room is then a little bar for us to enjoy some romantic wine in the castle. So now follow me along because we are going to enter the next room, which is the bedroom. Come on in. And voila! First of all, let's look at the floor of the tiles. It's really fancy that it has the blue and then also the red contrast in there with the different patterns. And then this is a canopy bed, which brings in a lot of interesting part and also the romantic feel. And it's not just for the atmosphere, but also very functional because we mentioned that this is an orangery. And so on the top, half of this room or half of this space is made out of glass. So there is the glass rooftop that brings in the sunlight, but you do need to have the canopy in the hot summer day to protect you from the heat. Good morning. Waking up under the blue sky and facing the garden. What a lovely day. Oh, what is this? We get breakfast. Mystery from the bag. Fresh pastry, croissant, pretzel, bread, and a little lox, salmon, and yogurt, and cherry, the royal breakfast. Let's go on over here because at the corner there's also a little secret. So let's move on. And voila! In this room, you don't have an ensuite bedroom, but the good thing is at the corner, you still have a little sink if you want to wash your hand. And then over here, continuing the brick wall all the way on this part of the room. And then we have the AC, which is the modern addition. And then here, if you see the lamp, it's very cute. That's decorated with a cute dress. And then on the other side, this lamp is then the more rebellious style of the dress. on a second. Where's the bathroom? In this castle or the orangery, if you want to go use the toilet, the restroom, take a bath, take a shower, this is where you go. Spiral stairs going down and down and down, down, down. Low, 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 low. Right. So now we arrive at the ground floor. Oh, so gorgeous with the beautiful flowers. And this is it. Now coming down the stairs, and this is the bathroom. It's kind of cute, so I'm going to give you a very quick tour. Come on in. And voila, this is the little powder room or the toilet. It's kind of funny that there are those crystals out here. Almost feel like we're in Iceland. And down here is once again the very detailed interior design of the floors, bring that castle feel throughout the space. So that was the toilet, and on the other side we're going into the other room. And trust me, this place has a very unforgettable bathtub that is to die for. So come on in, let me show you. In my view, this is the best part of the place. Look at this mirror. Oh, so elegant. And then the bathtub. Wow, very bold color, design, material. Oh, it's nighttime. It's time for a romantic bath. Wow. The light, so gorgeous. And our freestanding bathtub, smoking hot. So this was the tour of the bathroom. Let's now go back into the garden because I want to show you around the garden. And that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this week's tour and a little fun activity. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification, and comment down here and let me know what other content or home tour would you like to see next. I will see you in the castle.